soundscape is a way of accompanying or interpreting an image or a story or a poem using simple instruments or found sounds or body percussion. We're going to show you some examples right now. This is a picture from the book Family Pictures by Carmen Lomas Garza. And we are going to take the image of the piñata scene and represent that through sound. I'm using this sound to represent the people walking through the sand.
I'm using the drum to make the sound of the bat hitting the piñata.
I'll be using an egg shaker to represent the sound of the leaves in the trees.
I will be using the found sound of my necklace to represent the collars on the cats and dogs found in this image.
We're going to play all our sounds together, including conversations that you might hear from people in the picture.
Oh, she almost got it. So good to see you at the party. I love spending time with my family.